Hey everybody, today I'm down here at the Crescent Bend City Park, Crescent Bend Nature Park. Can't remember what it's actually called. I'll put the real title down below here. Anyway, I decided to just an impromptu little stop here today, down here by the Cibolo Creek. You're not going to see it, but right up in here in this tree is a hawk sitting there, and I'll share some footage with you. I've never been down this little area here before. It's not the nicest looking area. There's some egrets down here I've been shooting, and here comes one flying to me. Hold on just a second. Nope. Sorry. Well, I'm watching it fly here, and I'm not sure if I'm going to get a shot of it or not. I don't think so. He's too far away, that white background, and it's white already. Anyway, I'm just down here walking around. I'm going to check out the park. They got a couple bird blinds. I'm going to see what I can see, walk some of the trails. It's getting a little misty out here. It hasn't started raining yet, so I'm just trying to shoot something today. So stick around. Hey, but I'm trying to talk kind of low. I'm here in a bird blind, not much of a blind, but it's got some chairs here, a little bit of a blind. It's the smaller one of the two at Crescent Bend Nature Park here. It's in Schertz, Texas. And they've got these little spots here with water, and they put out bird feed and stuff, and a lot of little birds are coming around. We've got several different species. I don't know my birds that well, so I don't know what they are. I've seen some female and male cardinals. I know what those are. And there's some here that have yellow on them. Some sort of warbler, I'm guessing. Not really sure. I'm really wanting to get a male cardinal posing on a branch or something, or down by the water. I'm not having much luck. They're being a little more skittish than the other birds. I'm trying not to talk too loud, but I want y'all to be able to hear me at the same time. It's a female cardinal right there on that tree, right in the crook of it. It's good shots. I'm using my Tamron 150 to 600 millimeter lens. It's giving me some good close-up shots here. Here's one of the yellow ones here on the ground eating some bird seed. The other ones look like some sort of sparrow. I'm not quite sure what they are. Anyway, there's a bunch of little ones. I'm the only one out here at this bird blind. The other bird blind had a couple people. So I decided to come on over to this one by myself. Of course, I can't shoot with my glasses on, so I'm squinting to look around to see what's out there. She's one drinking some water. Get it. She's taking a bath now. Got a really good one of her in the. It's like a little concrete bird bath they put on the ground. She's splashing around and they're really good. I can shoot some video of her. She flies off. Nice day out here. It's really cloudy, which is nice. Not getting a bunch of harsh light on coming down because it's around 11:30, somewhere around that time in the morning. So the light's really soft. All right, a male cardinal just landed on the ground here, right in front of one of the watering spots. He's eating some bird seed. It's amazing to see how well he takes the shell off of that sunflower seed and spits the shell out and swallows the seed. Just like that, he's gone. Got some video of him, and I got some pictures of him too. Lots of birds out here, lots of little ones. Damn, somebody start recording and something spooked them. They all took off. So a lot of construction going on across the creek over there, and you can really hear it all over here. It's a new subdivision they're building over there. So I would imagine in the evening when the construction crews are gone home, it'd be a lot quieter out here. It's just kind of noisy. But that's what you get with urban wildlife and landscape photography. You're going to have the noises and sounds of the city and cars and people, and nobody's walked by this trail yet, but there's several people out here, so it's still good though to get out and shoot something. It's been a while since I've been out to shoot anything, so there's some people. I don't know if y'all can hear that, but that's an owl hooting. Love to get a shot of some owls. Wow. I've never photographed an owl before. Of course, it's nowhere near me, I don't think. It's getting further away, too. Well, I think, I'll turn my camera. I think that's all I'm going to shoot here today. I may go walk this trail a little bit. Got quite a few pictures of the birds, really up close ones. Some really good sharp pictures, which I'm happy about. And I guess I'll end this first video here. This will be the end of my first urban wildlife and landscape photography series, and probably be the start of my season 4 videos. So, which if you're watching this, you already know that from the title from the beginning. So anyway, I'm gonna walk around a little bit. Otherwise, I'm gonna end this video here unless I find something more interesting. I'll show some more bird pictures here at the end. And I'm about to see a male cardinal sitting over there on the dirt pathway. So who knows? I'm going to walk around a little bit. It'll be the first time walking down these trails, see what else I see. Maybe I'll do a second video of that, or I'll just incorporate it into this one. And I'll definitely be back out here. The other bird blind is a little more, hide you a little bit more. So I'll definitely be out here for that and walk these trails some more. But for now, just check out these pictures. Thanks for watching. Be sure and subscribe. Hit the like button. Just heard that owl again. I'm gonna go look for it.